You see these?
Yeah.
I want to get like a watch and just zip it on with this so I don't have to take it off every time.
Oh, you haven't got a clock on that either.
Nah, ripped it off. Look.
Where's it gone?
Well, I thought I'd take it off and then it wouldn't stick back on, so I left it in here for ages. Then we had the cold winter and then it froze and then it broke. But yet, this is still working. I've dropped it twice. Somehow. Are you gonna get your stuff on or what? Shit, can't even do it. Look at that! Knew that would happen. Oh, do it, Robert, you fucking break the door, man.
Oh, come on, hold on. There's a lamp up there.
Oh, for fuck's sake! Who the fuck put a lamp up there? Oh, that's it. Oh, fucking retard, man.
Wedged in there now.
5-3.
Get this. And then
Shove it out of the way.
open the lamp.
You do actually look Scottish now.
Right, I can't even see it now.
You're one of them log throwers.
Go.
Have you just pushed it the whole way up?
Still fucking recording.
Okay, that's good.
Now why are you putting that there? To stop people coming in? They just remove it. Is that to stop your dog? Does he open the door?
He knows not to open doors.
Yeah. Right, I'll do.
There we go. Let's go.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
How did we open it?
I opened it as just normal as anything.
You fucking broke it off.
I don't know.
You broke it.
Lamp now. Oh, I'll stop these rules.
It's this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that film green. Oh, I want to close it. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Touching this bit, hold on, go on, pull it and I'll do
No,
that.
you're gonna smack
There
me,
we go.
yeah?
Look. There. It's just this bit.
No, did you see the lamp?
Oh, amateur.
I see the lamp's alright. Oh, God! It's swinging. Oh,
Just
fuck.
leave it.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Or are you gonna? No. Just leave it there. It's safe. You know, you can't do anything with it really. You just leave it hanging. You're making it worse.
I'm not. I'm gonna make it better. Hey, no, I got it.
Still, but when you bring this up, it's gonna go like this. You know. So.
Can you get that?
Hold this lamp. a pillow. Oh, that's making no difference. Where is it? Increased it. Oh, you fucking straight. Oh shit, yeah. Get it, get it. No, you fucked it. Fuck my pillows up with your dirty boots. No, don't put it back to that position. You donkey it. Now I've got to close it. Go. I don't want to go biking now, I'm fucking too hot. Just do this and just drive up there. Pretty quick.
Shut up. Come on. I'm absolutely boiling. Right, after the silver car. Or the red one.
Yeah, but then there's one there.
Nah.
Then that's perfectly well now. Oh, fair enough. Thing I've noticed when you buy it, I can, it's like a bell ringing. I can hear like something jingling around. I'm sure you've heard it when you're going along.
Me?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not the exhaust?
Something off your bike. I'm sure you can hear it. If you're on it, you should be able to hear it. You might think it's a bit
A
normal.
jingle?
When you go in high revs or something. Stop vibrating.
Oh, it's the keys.
Might be that.
It is.
I can proper hear it though. I'm like from here to that chocolate, I can hear it.
They do jingle like.
So I hear with my keys, one of these keys is
Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, I need to take this neck thing off and boiling, man.
Yeah, I've got empty.
Have you seen mine? It's empty as well. Well, I can't show you like this because they'll just lean to the right. My camera facing the right way? Oh, it is. Oh, I need a drink. Right. Oh, he's getting fuel. Ooh! Is that one over there? One is. Unleaded. Right. How much putting in?
What?
How much putting in? Bucket. Limited. What? What are you looking at? What? Is this like the one? Right, let's read it. Are you getting a drink? I'll see if they do a double up. I'll go. No, they don't. D480. Alright, number 4 as well, please. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks. Yep. Oh, let's dance. You better. Oh shit! I haven't got my box, have I? Fuck! Hasn't got his bag either. Oh shit! Where are you gonna put it? Got no box.
Where are you gonna put yours?
I don't know. Okay, I might have to just put it in my jacket.
I was gonna say, oh, try and put it in top box. I just thought you got two boxes.
I told you to.
I just put this like just under there.
I thought you were gonna mean.
You won't notice it.
It doesn't fit. I could drink that easy, but this is fizzy. I'm gonna start crying. Oh god. Ugh. I don't know how I'm gonna move these. Right, it's going down here. Oh no! It's in my jacket! Gonna go back for my box. You're a bastard, man. I need to go back for my box.
I'll just keep mine in the jacket.
Idiot, man. You're an idiot. Fucking hell. Sounds weird. Oh, it's a chain. Oh, right, doesn't matter. Oh my god, that chain is fucking.